When it comes to securing your home in Washington, D.C., many homeowners think about alarms, surveillance cameras, and sturdy locks. However, one of the most vulnerable entry points to your home is often overlooked: your windows. Windows not only affect the aesthetic appeal and energy efficiency of your home, but they also play a critical role in your overall home security. In Washington, D.C., where crime rates can vary and the hustle of city life brings extra concerns, ensuring that your windows are secure is essential. Window installation can be a key investment in protecting your home and loved ones. Here's how proper window installation contributes to your home's security and what you should consider when upgrading your windows. Stronger materials and durability. One of the most significant ways new windows enhance security is by upgrading the materials used. Older windows, especially those with single-pane glass or weak frames, can be easily broken or forced open. This makes them an easy target for burglars. When you choose window installation with high-quality materials, such as fiberglass, steel, or composite materials, your windows become much more resistant to tampering or breaking. Fiberglass and steel frames are much stronger and more durable than wood or older window materials. These materials are less prone to warping, breaking, or deteriorating over time, making them much harder to force open. Double or triple pane windows offer additional security benefits, as they are much harder to break through than single pane glass. These windows can deter potential intruders by offering a solid barrier that's difficult to penetrate. Choosing strong, durable materials for your windows can help prevent easy access to your home and provide peace of mind. Improved window locks and security features. Another critical aspect of window installation is the installation of secure locks and other safety features. Many older windows are equipped with outdated or flimsy locking mechanisms that are easy to bypass. Modern windows come with more advanced locking systems that provide enhanced protection. Multi-point locking systems are an excellent upgrade for your windows. These locks engage multiple points along the window frame, making it much harder for intruders to force the window open. Instead of relying on a single lock, multi-point systems secure your window in several places, increasing security. Sliding windows or casement windows can be fitted with security bolts, preventing the window from being opened from the outside. These bolts are easy to install and provide additional layers of security, making it more difficult for burglars to break in. By upgrading your window locks and security features during window installation, you're ensuring that your windows can withstand any attempts to gain unauthorized access. Impact-resistant glass for extra protection. In Washington, D.C., where crime and extreme weather conditions can be a concern, impact-resistant glass is a must-have for homeowners. Traditional glass is prone to shattering under force, which makes it easy for intruders to break in. Upgrading to laminated or impact-resistant glass during window installation offers additional protection. Laminated glass is made by sandwiching a layer of plastic between two panes of glass. This not only strengthens the window but also makes it more difficult for someone to break through. Even if the glass is cracked, it won't shatter into pieces, reducing the risk of injury and preventing easy access to your home. Impact-resistant glass is designed specifically to withstand force, making it an excellent choice for homes in areas where security is a concern. Whether you're worried about break-ins or severe weather events, impact-resistant glass offers peace of mind by acting as a strong barrier against external threats. Installing impact-resistant glass during your window replacement can help prevent break-ins and enhance the overall security of your home. Better visibility for monitoring. Windows are an essential aspect of home visibility, not just for aesthetics but also for surveillance. When your windows are strategically placed and provide clear sightlines, it can deter potential burglars. Burglars tend to avoid homes where they feel they can be seen by neighbors or passers-by. During window installation, you can enhance the visibility of your property while improving its security. Larger windows or windows with unobstructed views make it harder for intruders to approach your home undetected. By ensuring that your windows allow clear sightlines from the inside and outside of the home, you can create a natural deterrent to criminal activity. Window treatments, such as sheer curtains or blinds, can also allow for privacy while still letting light in, making it difficult for criminals to know if anyone is home. Installing windows that maximize visibility around your property can help increase natural surveillance, which is one of the most effective deterrents to crime. Reduced vulnerability to forced entry. Older windows may not be aligned properly, or their frames may have become loose over time, making them more vulnerable to being pried open or forced. Professional window installation ensures that your new windows are aligned correctly and fitted securely into the frame, making it much harder for intruders to break in. Proper installation also means that there are no gaps around the window frame where burglars could gain leverage or pry open the window. High-quality weather stripping and seals prevent drafts, but they also ensure that the window is sealed tightly against forced entry. A well-installed window with strong materials and locks creates an extra layer of protection against attempted break-ins. Increased home value and peace of mind. Investing in window installation to enhance your home's security can also increase the value of your property. Buyers are often attracted to homes that offer better protection, especially if the windows are secure and energy efficient. If you're considering selling your home in the future, replacing outdated windows with secure, modern models can significantly boost your home's marketability. Additionally, knowing that your windows are secure provides peace of mind for you and your family, helping you feel safer and more comfortable in your home. Conclusion. Window installation plays a crucial role in improving home security for homeowners in Washington, D.C. By upgrading to stronger materials, installing advanced locking systems, and incorporating impact-resistant glass, you can significantly enhance your home's protection. Windows not only protect you from intruders but also offer increased energy efficiency, better privacy, and improved curb appeal. Whether you're upgrading your existing windows or replacing outdated ones, investing in secure, high-quality windows is a smart decision that ensures your home is safe, secure, and protected.